One last cold start for a while. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys for watching the last videos I've been making, so appreciate it. And yeah, as always, if you subscribe, it motivates me to keep going, so please consider subscribing and give the video a like if you enjoy it and if you learned something. So let's get started with today. So something I've been putting off for a while on the Ram is an exhaust that I've had. So today we're going to be changing out the old exhaust for the new one that I have. Well, actually it's just a muffler system, and then I'll also be installing tips at some point. So, but yeah, I'll be unboxing in a second. Gonna jack up the car a little bit, get some clearance to go underneath, and we'll pick up from there. Alright guys, so now the car is up. I'll show you guys the exhaust that I have. So I just opened it a few minutes ago to make sure everything was good on it and like that. It was packaged pretty well. The company that I bought this from, they're called Totalflow, I guess. It's like a magnaflow, maybe a wannabe if you want to call it. So here it is. It's pretty much a direct muffler replacement, but I mean, for the price you can't really beat it. I mean, I think I paid like 86 bucks for this, which is, you know, total steal, you know, versus paying, you know 300-400 bucks for one, or even 200, you know. So it's not like the loudest thing in the world. They do have options whether it's a smaller one or muffler delete with a white pipe. I think they had one. So there was definitely options as far as the company goes, but I chose to go with this one because I didn't want it to be too loud, and because I do have kids, so they're gonna be in the car, so I didn't want to be crazy loud. So I just wanted a little bit more noise, you know, without being super quiet or super loud. So I think it should be a good in between. And like I said, you know, can't really beat the price, so we'll throw it on there and see how it goes. But it does not come with clamps because I opted for it was a, you know, missing hardware package. So from 120 bucks I got it for 80 bucks, so it was like $40 cheaper. And you know, I read the reviews and the clamps are really not usable anyways. They're not tight enough and everything like that. So I'm gonna be doing some modifications to you know, where we're gonna be connecting this to the actual pipe. So I'll show you that as we go. But yeah, as the truck is it's cooling down right now because I was driving, and I was thinking maybe I do have some high heat paint and primer, so I was thinking of maybe just giving this a spray and getting it all black. So I think I'll do that while the truck is cooling down before I can remove the, you know, the stock muffler. So yeah, let's give this a try then. Yeah, we'll give this a try. I had this sitting over here, this primer and high heat paint that I bought a while back, so I think I'll give this a try and see how it works out. I'll do like 2 coats of primer, and I'll do one coat, I'll leave it 15 minutes, and I'll do another coat, leave it about 30 minutes before I apply the paint, and that should give us enough time to for the OEM muffler to cool down, so I can go and remove that afterwards. So yeah, let's get started on this primer. Alright, so kind of laid out that first coat. Like I said, it's not perfect, but at the same time it doesn't have to be perfect. So we'll just let it dry for 15 minutes and then we'll give it another coat. Alright, so I went ahead and put the second coat of primer, which it looks filled in pretty good. Pretty much the whole muffler is covered now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the high heat paint. So I'll do the same thing. I'll put two coats of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So now that the muffler is cooled down a little bit, I'm gonna try to attempt to get these clamps out. I mean, they look pretty rusted out, so we'll see how that works. But looks like a 13 millimeter, so we'll go and give that one a try. So the impact couldn't loosen it up, but it seems like it's spinning with the ratchet, so I'll keep going at it and see if we can loosen this up. And there it is. Surprised we got that one out, but hopefully the other two are as easy. Alright guys, so take a look at these things. I mean, this is crazy. There was no way that thing was coming out. So last resort was cut these clamps. If we do end up putting the stock muffler back on, we could always use new clamps, but these things were gone. Same thing with this one. The only one I was able to get is the 3-inch one. These are the tailpipe ones, so yeah, it sucked. Wasn't expecting that. So so after the clamps are out right over there, the two clamps holding the pipes, the next thing I have to do is then I have to take off this thing. There it is. The hangers. So the best way to take off the hangers is some WD-40, and get it nice and buttery, and they'll slide out with a hammer. Just hit it as I just showed you, and they should slide out. So after that, we're just gonna wiggle this until we get it out of the muffler. So here's the tailpipe. We got that out. It slid out pretty easy, like I showed. Just yank it back and forth after you take out the hanger, and it should come right out. So yeah, let's get the other one out. Alright boys, that sucks, but both pipes are out. That was a pain in the butt, but we got it done. It's gonna be worth it in the end when that thing goes in. Alright, so tailpipes are out. Now we gotta get the other side, but first we gotta remove these hangers right here as well to get the muffler itself out. So let's do that. Out the muffler now. It does help to have two people, so thankfully my dad just stopped by. Alright, so muffler's out, both pipes are out, and now we got a muffler delete, so we're gonna do a startup. I mean, it is a little loud, but you know, I'm hoping with the new muffler I'm putting in, it can you know, have some sound but not be as loud as that. That sounds pretty insane though. I wish I could take it for a drive and see how it sounds down the street. So here's the new muffler, all painted up. I think it came out incredible actually. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, but yeah, it was worth doing it. But yeah, there's the old muffler, new muffler, and we gotta throw that on right now. So first thing, get the hangers in there on the new muffler. So hangers are in, and then we'll just connect it right there. It should pop right in, and then there's another hanger right there. So let's hope with this setup we can we'll be able to put the tailpipes back in. Because I read online, some people said that with the hangers they set up a little high, so your tailpipes might not fit correctly. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, other than that, he went right in. It's kind of take your time with this one because it's kind of all tangled up, so you might need a two set of hands for this. Even though I'm sure you can do it with one person, but it's gonna make it a lot harder. So get that hanger in there first. Try to pop that in there. Okay, so now we got this hanger right here. Put that in there. All right. Oh, actually, we should probably put it in the pipe first. There we go. All right. And the hanger's in, and it fits pretty good. So it's already sitting flush without me even having to do anything. So, all right. So we'll get the passenger side now. Slide this baby in there, and we'll put the hanger on first. All right, hanger's in. So as you can see, the driver's side went in pretty well. Same thing with the passenger side. They slide right in. And we're obviously gonna put some clamps or U-bolts, we'll see. But yeah, sitting pretty good. But only problem is this right here. So you can see they sit in about ½ inch more now inwards. But I'm not too worried about that because I'm gonna be installing new exhaust tips soon, so I'm not really worried about that. But there is a way to do that. If you don't want to avoid this, you can put extension pipe in between those two right there. You can put an extension pipe. I think it's 2½ inch right there. So if you do want the tips to sit out flush, you can you can do that. You can put the. All right, so put it on the 3-inch U-bolt clamp right now. On the exhaust side of it, and then on the tailpipes I think we might need a 2¼ inch. because I have a 2.5, but 2.5 is actually a little loose on it, so I might have to go get a couple of 2.25. Boys, she's all done. So we put 2 clamps right there. Those are 3-inch clamps, and I only put 1 on this side over here because I only had 2 of them. But I'm gonna get another one. That's why I left the space, and I put another one. That's a 2.25 clamp. So I think it looks pretty good, especially painted. I think it looks great. I think it looks awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna do a cold start now. I haven't started yet, so I want to surprise myself. I'm not expecting anything crazy, but it should be definitely better than it was. And it was actually leaking right there, so yeah, I mean, it was a good thing that we actually did this. Plus things all rusted out and everything, so yeah. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Sounds amazing. I mean, just exactly what I wanted. Not too much, not too little. It's great. I'm gonna go on the first drive right now. Just a quick little drive down the street. Alright, let's go. Wow. I mean, the difference is crazy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but it's sick. Wow. I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. Not too much, not too little. It's great. Step on it a little bit right here. God, let the Hemi scream, baby. Oh man, it's great. It's amazing. I'm not sure if the wind is interfering with the... Wow. I love it. I love it. I keep repeating it, but I'm definitely excited about this, man. Like at idle right now, like you can hear like a nice little rumble. It's so sick.